Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to download and install Google Chrome web browser on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser or default web browser, Microsoft Edge, and then search for Google Chrome. Then browse this URL. Click on this download button. You can uncheck this box. It may take a while for downloading Google Chrome setup file. After a successful download, navigate to the Downloads folder and open Chrome setup file. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. That's it. Google Chrome web browser is downloading. It may take a while for downloading and installing on your system. That's it. Google Chrome web browser installed successfully. You can set your default browser, Google Chrome. Okay, that's it. Google Chrome web browser installed successfully on Windows operating system. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.